The Ministry of Finance has begun to collect data which will tell its assessment teams just how much of an impact months of roadworks has had on businesses and how the government may offer them financial assistance. Yesterday, Prime Minister Hubert Ingraham made the pledge of unspecified financial assistance to persons, including the plaintiffs in a class action lawsuit which is pending before the courts. Today, we asked State Minister for Finance, the Honorable Zhivargo Laing, just what applicants can expect from the government once the evaluation is complete.
It's been a bumpy ride for scores of business persons since roadworks began, but today they have an assurance from the government that financial assistance is available. Today, Minister of State for Finance Zhivargo Laing detailed what that assistance will mean and what it will not.
There is no claim on the part of government of liability, so that you say to me, well, you cost me X amount of dollars, I'm going to therefore require you to pay X amount of dollars. As if that were true, you have people throughout the country who have had roads put in their communities, who have had schools amalgamated in their community. If somebody said, you know, I'm a small business person and this is how I was affected to the tune of maybe $5,000, you say, well, you know, I have a Jump Start program. Why don't you apply for that? And so they might submit an invoice for this amount of material to be resourced in their business, or to pay this light bill or so forth, and you're able to do that as a consequence of the Jump Start program.
Minister Laing says it's hard to estimate any figure for payments or how many businesses may qualify to make claims, but the government is on its guard for false claims based on past experience.
You have people who are out there claiming that they have been affected to this amount of dollars when their business license returns never came close to that kind of sum, which means one of two things happened. They either were trying to defraud the government, or that the claim that they are making is not consistent with what they have been reporting.
Considering the legal defense the government has had to stage before the courts, we asked Minister Laing to respond to those who may see this assistance as a concession of wrongdoing.
It's not a concession of wrongdoing. It's an acknowledgement that in the course of doing public works, that you can affect members of the society.